At AW Fraser,
We are a diverse team.
of over 200 engineers,
machinists, foundrymen
and scientists
that take metal in its rawest form
and turn it into a high-value exportable product.
fundamentally,
we are a recycler.
We use our foundry to process over half of New Zealand's scrap copper.
and combine it with elements sourced internationally
From our global network
of strategically placed sellers. To turn scrap into this.
We literally make metal.
to your specific needs.
Our international customers include the likes of
Caterpillar, Komatsu,
And MERCURY Marine.
And you'll find our engineered bronze,
machinery parts.
in service,
In every single country on planet Earth.
We have one of the largest automated
CNC machine shops in New Zealand.
And an in-house laboratory.
To guarantee the quality and accuracy.
Our components every time.
And we've been doing all of this
from right here in Christchurch.
for over 80 years.
For 80 years, we've been the best kept secret. And now, we're going to start telling our story. The story of good to great, where bronze is the new gold.